Hey guys, I present to you my original proprietary trading system based on MACD divergences called Divergence Bomber. I can tell you with 100% certainty, you definitely won't find a similar system anywhere else. But right now, I don't want to talk about some theoretical benefits that you could theoretically gain by using this system. No, I want you to see in practice how it works. That's why I invite you to my trading platform so you can see everything with your own eyes. Come with me. So guys, you are on my trading platform where the Divergence Thomas Bomber system is installed. This system consists of two elements. The first element is a technical indicator that is installed on the price chart of various assets, and its task is to look for divergences that occur between the prices and the MACD indicator. When this indicator finds a divergence, it gives a trading signal, places an arrow on the price chart indicating the direction we need to trade, and sends a push notification to the user's smartphone. Upon receiving such a signal, we make a trade, and then the second element of this system comes into play, namely a utility that manages all trades, automatically sets stop loss and take profit levels for them, and oversees these trades, closing them according to the rules of this trading system. This is how these two elements interact with each other. The indicator searches for and shows us trading signals, while the utility helps us trade. As for the assets for trading, I use classic currency pairs for trading with this system. There are so many of them. And on each currency pair, the indicator provides a sufficient number of signals, which then turn into profit in my trading account. In a separate window, the indicator shows us the statistics of its signal performance. It shows how many signals were profitable, how many were losses, and displays the profit factor. The profit factor is how many times the profits exceed the losses. In this case, it's twice as much. Let's move on to the next asset. Here, the profits are 9 times greater than the losses. The indicator gave 14 signals and only 3 were losses. Let's move on to another asset. We see all these signals that occurred in reality. That is, these are buy trades. Buy trades, let's say, here on buy. Let's move on to the next asset. Here are all these signals. Let's open another price chart. Here, the profit factor is 10, meaning the profits are 10 times greater than the losses. Looking at the price chart, here, for example, is the currency pair, euro against the Australian dollar. And we see that here we had these kinds of signals. That is, we see arrows where the indicator gave us sell signals. And here are arrows for buy. In this way, you see that all the signals, yes, were in the right places. Let's move on. Another currency pair, and on any asset that I will show now here, well, it's almost perfect statistics. I really like this system because, as you can see, it's certainly not a magic grail, but almost all trades give us profit. And the most important thing I like is that I don't have to work manually with each trade. The utility independently performs all these trading operations. My job is only to receive the signal and press the buy or sell button according to the directions of these trades. If I receive a signal on my smartphone, it will also indicate the trading direction, and it will show by that's a signal or a signal to sell. My job is only to make the trade. Then the utility takes over, and I get a lot of good trades on each currency pair. Accordingly, I receive a lot of profit. In this way, on each currency pair that I switch to, we have positive statistics. For example, the currency pair pound against the Australian dollar. You can see that here we would have gained 12,600 pips. Switching to the pound against the Canadian dollar, 4,000 pips. Pound against the New Zealand dollar, 16,000 pips. And the profit factor is 37, meaning profits are 30 times greater than losses. Look, 30 profitable trades and only 3 with losses. This is how, now, the Bomber divergence system works. Agree, everything looks quite impressive. Solid statistics for the execution of trading signals. Everything is intuitively understandable. You can use push notifications to receive signals on your phone and trade, as they say, on the go from anywhere in the world. And one of the main advantages of this system is that every buyer receives a Bomber utility as a gift from me, which will significantly ease trading with this strategy. Let's say, if you have absolutely no experience in trading on the financial market, with the help of this utility, you will trade like a professional. As a result, the profitability of your trading increases from 50 to 100% per month. All right, guys, I know you're waiting for the most important thing from me, for me to tell you how much you can earn with this trading strategy. I don't want to make empty claims. I invite you to my trading platform so you can see my trading statistics for the last month. Guys, regarding the profitability of trading, using the Divergence Bomber strategy, here you can see the real statistics. I specifically opened the History tab so you can see the results I personally achieved with this strategy. As you can see, there were quite a lot of trades over the month. This is all the statistics for the last month. There are losing trades here. I mentioned that this system uses a stop loss, but there are also profitable trades. You see, in whole blocks, such large blocks, a profit flows into my trading account. And there is quite a lot of profit. And in total, over the month, I earned almost $16,500. All thanks to the Divergence Bomber system. And most importantly, by using this system, you too can achieve the same result. There are no miracles. It's a fairly simple, intuitively understandable operation of the Divergence Bomber indicator and a quite reliable utility that manages all your open orders and closes them either at a loss, with a stop loss, or at a profit, according to the rules of the trading system. But overall, you achieve an excellent trading result. So guys, if you like this strategy, then see you next time. I will be glad to see you in my company of successful traders.